Hi, you're back with Steve Matthews and Justice Haga, the e-signature home team. So we're here at a client's house and they had an outside water valve that they had hooked up to their hose that either froze or just went bad. So it was leaking pretty bad. So we came over here, you can actually see the water stains on it, and we went ahead. This one, for some reason, he tried to turn it off and somehow it twisted and it broke off. So went ahead and cut the water here and cut the water here. So this water we cut is just going to the valve. This water we cut to the whole house because we're gonna have to cut this off now. So some of the parts that you're gonna need, we replace everything with PEX. PEX is a great material. It's freeze proof. It doesn't matter if it gets real hot, and it's just a better product to work with than copper. I know a lot of people like copper. Copper's a great product, but it does, over time, it does age and it can burst and you can have problems with it. So far we haven't had any problems with PEX. So over here on the ground, we went ahead and set out some of our tools that we're gonna be using. We've got, of course, the PEX, so we're gonna replace it with some of the Sharkbite materials. These are great. They just snap into place. They're a little more expensive, but they just work really well. We also have been replacing everything with these quarter turn valves. So you can see, instead of having to crank a knob all the way around and you're not really sure if it's open or closed or you're going the right direction, we just have these quarter turn valves. So some of the other materials we have is a couple of these elbows. These are also Sharkbite elbows. We got these at Home Depot. Some places call them different names. Here's your straight coupling. You're gonna need your wire brush to clean the copper, because what's gonna happen is these shark bites are gonna slide onto the copper place, and then we'll put the PEX in and stuff like that. But you're gonna need this so you can clean your copper, especially with aged copper. You wanna make sure you have a real nice tight fitting. We've got our 1/2-inch cutter. You put this sucker on there, snaps right on, twist it a few times, pops the copper right off. And then we've got right here, which is the Rector seal, and this is pipe thread sealant. This is what we're gonna use to screw some of our parts together, and this is the sealant for that. So, is that it? What else do we got?
Looks like everything. We're gonna get to work and we'll show you the finished product.
All right, thanks so much. Talk to you soon.
All right, it's Justice Haga here. We have finished up this repair. Steve would be here, but he's upstairs sleeping as he normally does, so I'm gonna show you what we've done. If you remember, we had a broken valve here which was leaking. So it was actually the copper pipe and we had water coming out. So we have replaced it. We showed you all these parts. Here's our Sharkbite, our elbow Sharkbite. We put an on-off valve right here to the outside spigot so we can shut that off during the winter hours. And here we noticed we had a small leak with this old house shutoff valve. Was still a small drip, so if our tenants or our clients had been out of town for a week or two and they shut off their water, that would still be building pressure. So we came back in, and because we had a tight fit down there, we put in a whole house shutoff valve, quarter turn. It's so easy, so effective and efficient. And we've joined this back up. You see our fittings here, a T-valve there, and everything is set and good to go. No leaks. I'm gonna go wake Steve up and we'll head out of this job and on to the next one. Again, this is Justice Haga and Steve Matthews from the e-signature home team. We are your real estate agents for life, and we appreciate you watching this video. Have a great day.